Welcome to AutoCount Cloud Payroll tutorial video for the time attendance. And the topic is rules maintenance. This feature may look a bit confusing at first, but bear with me. I will try to share my knowledge to complete the setting as clear as possible. Human resource, rules maintenance, create new, enter your code, your description, select your shift time. This is the one that I created previously. Minimum acceptable of OT hour. You may select minimum is 1 hour and maximum hour that you allow your employee to apply. For record, I will not allow my employee to work more than 4 hours. Daily default shift. You can set your employee working shift hour. Like example, my employee may not be working during the Sunday, so I remove the setting for Sunday. For Monday, Tuesday until Friday is their working hour, and Saturday is not working. So I will leave blank both of my Sunday and Saturday. Configure clocking method. AutoCount Cloud Payroll offers 3 additional clocking condition method for you. We start with geolocation. Tick to enable. Geolocation is required to match with the defined address. If you select this setting, you need to enter where is the defined location. When you enter the location, click Get Location and it will pinpoint on the map. If you work from home or not from the office and wish your employee to clock in, you need to disable this function, because every time when they clock in, it will pinpoint the location of their current GPS location. In order for you to get their accurate location, your employee may need to enable the GPS setting on their phone. And please advise your employee, do not clock in using geolocation while on the move. Means, please do not clock in when they are driving. Stop at one of the locations that's safe and then clock in. Acceptable radius meter only applicable when you use the geolocation match with the defined address. If you pinpoint the location within the radius of 20 meters, they are still considered as clock in. Additional action available is face recognition or take photo. If you enable this function, your employee may take a photo of their current location, or they need to validate their face recognition. To utilize these validate face recognition features, let us save first. Go back to your payroll, employee maintenance, edit your employee, enable the function of requires face recognition, and click Save. The next clocking method is Wi-Fi. You may enter your Wi-Fi SSID, match with the device that you would like to connect, and enter their Wi-Fi MAC address or BSS ID. You may also adding additional action, which is take photo or validate face recognition. Next clocking method is Bluetooth. Click new to add a new Bluetooth device and enter the Bluetooth MAC address and save. Additionally, you may also select take photo or validate face recognition. You may seek for our support or salesperson what type of Bluetooth device suitable for AutoCount Cloud Payroll. If you only have one rules, you need to enable is default rules to apply to all your employee. But if you have more than one rules, you can untick allocate the different rules to different employee. That is all for now. Stay tuned for the next video, shift schedule. Thank you.